Hi, Minnie Wilson, and I am here to ask you, do you have if you have a train table and you have one of those billboards you can change anytime you want, like this? I know you can see that I've got a train table down here, and it's been down here for a while, and I want to show you guys a little trick I know about on how I recently discovered today on how to fix those. So I have a Budweiser logo, and it's pretty bent and it won't fit on the billboard. Alright, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna flip this up here and well, let me get closer so that I can show you. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna grab a toy vehicle or a Lego vehicle, and you're gonna go over it like so. This is difficult to do holding my phone on my legs. Now the Lego vehicle. Now Lego vehicles may work. All you gotta do, you can also grab, if this may be working, this trick may work with two things. So I have a toy bulldozer or scooper or whatever you call it, and a toy skateboard. Now two toy vehicles can work, or one of these toys, or one Lego vehicle, or two Lego toys. Lego vehicles can work. Then you're gonna pave it all. You're gonna go back and forth with these to make it look like they're colliding into each other, but you might not want to collide into. And get it down there really good. And there you have it. Now I'm gonna show you that it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Hold on. See? That's how you do it. Now, just before you guys leave, before I go, I want to show you guys the Burlington Northern Santa Fe. I got this Burlington Northern Santa Fe on Christmas, and it is still working. So let's go overview with the trains here, with my train set here, and check this out. That is not gonna work because it's burnt out, and guess what happens to all these? I'm pretty sure you know. Watch this. See? It powers up the electric buildings. Looks like I'll have to fix Piggy Wiggly a bit. Yep. So, pretty soon I will get a new train table. I need a piece of plywood for the table I have. And, yep, we're gonna paint that green, and, hopefully to make the threshing be better. So, you guys can look at my train table. Here's the police station. The Botanical Conversity. I think I'm saying that wrong. And here's a billboard. And there's the Shell gas station. There's Starbucks. And here's Piggy Wiggly. The lights the G and Y and W kind of burnt out. kind of were like this on Christmas when I first got this. So, yeah, well, here is my train, and here we go. This is the Burlington Northern Santa Fe that's pulling that is pulling this CP Rail, Canadian Pacific, a Texaco car, a Union Pacific car, and a Burlington Northern Santa Fe caboose. This is all of its speed, and it's hooked on this part of the track. So I just have it going around in circles, and yeah, best Christmas present I could ever ask for. So I guess so. This dinosaur skeleton turned out to be the founder of my Trains City Museum, but I'll need to buy a museum for this guy. So I guess I will see you guys soon. So don't worry about new Super Mario Bros. Wii videos. Those will be coming out very soon. So I guess I will let you guys go, and yep, enjoy the trip. Yep, go ahead and try it at home. It's not dangerous or anything. It's just a tool to fix things. So yep, bye.